Hi everyone, it's Paul here. If you've ever wanted to earn income from home but felt overwhelmed by digital marketing, this video is going to make everything simple, clear, and doable. Even if you're not tech savvy. But let's get straight into it. Here's the truth nobody tells beginners. You don't need a website, you don't need thousands of followers, and you definitely don't need to be tech savvy. What you do need is the right strategy and to start small. Most beginners fail because they try to be everywhere at once. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and email. It's too much for anyone to start out. Instead, pick one platform that feels natural to you and learn it for 30 days. If you like short videos, then TikTok is your answer, as well as Instagram Reels. If you like longer explanations, YouTube is definitely the answer. If you like writing, Facebook groups is your go-to page. Starting with one platform means you actually stick with it, and that's how you grow. Digital marketing becomes hard when you promote random products. Instead, choose one proven offer with high commissions, high demand, training included, and a simple setup, which is beginner friendly and there's support. Affiliate marketings like the ones I help people set up give you everything you need. The product, the funnel, the training, so you don't have to build anything from scratch. People buy from those who help them, not those who push them. Instead of overthinking content, use the simple formula. Teach one simple tip. Recommend your solution. For example, here's how to save 3 hours a week if you're not tech savvy. If you want a done-for-you system that helps you earn from home, the link is below. Here's how I start with zero experience. If you want the same step-by-step program, check the link. Short, real, and helpful. That's what actually works. Most beginners get stuck trying to design a website or learn complicated tools. You don't need any of that. Use a pre-built funnel. It collects leads for you, it follows up automatically, it sells for you, and it runs 24/7 even when you sleep. That's why done-for-you systems are so powerful. They remove the tech barrier so you focus on sharing your message. A lot of beginners quit before they even begin. Why? Because they expect instant results. Here's some real talk. Digital marketing is simple, but it's not magic. Give yourself 30 to 90 days of consistent posting and learning. Every successful digital marketer, including the top earners, started with zero skills, zero followers, and zero confidence. Consistency beats everything. Trying to do this alone will slow you down. Joining a community or mentorship program shortcuts your learning curve for months. Whether you choose my done-for-you affiliate program or someone else's, make sure it includes step-by-step training, clear daily actions, support when you get stuck, and a proven system to plug into. When you follow a blueprint, things that felt overwhelming become so simple. If this helped you and you want the easiest way to start digital marketing with the funnel content and training already done for you, I've linked my beginner-friendly program below. Start simple, start small, and start today. Your future self will thank you.